Do you have a safe place? That safe space? That place where you are absolutely yourself and aren't worried about a thing? You might be right here in the woods with me and Pepper, but it's probably somewhere else for yourself. Do you have one? Can you think of it right now? Maybe you're there right now as you're listening to this. I think we need them. I'm not sure I realized this until maybe I found this place. This, for me, is my creating grounds. This is my playground. This is my happy place. This is my safe zone, my safe space. For me, this is where it all happens. If you have big decisions in your life coming up, or small ones, I don't know about you, but for me, it doesn't help to be busy and sit behind the computer and figure it out and do research. And for me, I need some playground time, some me time, some out there in the woods or out there in the nature, ideally. If I would ever stop talking, you could probably hear the birds. Hope you can hear them. You could think that they're all talking to you. They're all singing just for me. They've got their song, and they've got just the words, and they don't even need the words, because it all comes through for me, the message that I need to get. But I need to let it sink in. That I need to let work through and figure out. And here, somehow, out in the woods, it all just happens. Ideally, you're not in a rush. Don't have to be somewhere real quick. Take it in and let it arrive. Let it download, as they say. Maybe it's time to upload some stuff. Maybe it's time to talk it through, as I continuously recommend here. What if you've got a lot going on in your life? Decisions to make, things happening all around you, some of them out of your control, some of them in your control. And what do the Stoics say? Don't waste a lot of time with those decisions out of your control. It rained last night. I can choose to moan about it, or I can wear better shoes. You feeling the peace with me here? You feeling that calm and that subtle power? I almost think it's like a Thursday thunder, but it's the quiet after the storm. I know they talk about the quiet before the storm. Maybe this is that quiet after the storm. I grew up in Southern California with no snow, and to this day, I'm like a young boy when it snows, and I get to listen to the crunch of it under my feet, and I can almost hear the snowflakes falling. And there's this sort of even more deep silence, if there is such a thing. And that for me is also a special time. It's that certain place that I rarely experience, because I rarely experience snow. Go outside under the yellow street lights and soak it all in. What's your playground? What's your quiet playground? Playground might bring images of rowdy kids and noisy children screaming and playing and having a great time, which could be another introduction or invitation to creation or contemplation. Is that guy coming? I hope you're enjoying my subtle little voyage into the peace and calm. Maybe because I just spent the past 4 full days with 50 of my closest friends from the public speaking world, and then 250 of my acquaintances from Europe, and I did a workshop on Friday. Thursday, we were 6 hours in the bus, and we even had games and chatter and catching up with people and making new friends and major competition stress, and not only bad stress, but the good kind too. I guess you might call that energy, excitement for the weekend. And now I'm here. The calm after the storm. I sometimes think I don't need it. But my body knows that I do. My gut knows, my heart knows, my mind might not be quite on board. But you could be convinced. Okay. That's all I've got for you today. What I really want you to do is find your own playground, your peaceful playground, your deep, quiet playground. It's just for you. You don't even have to tell anybody about it. You don't have to tell me about it. I know I'm telling you about mine right now, but I'm hoping that I've inspired you to find your own. If you want, you can let me know where it is, or you can just let me know you have one. I'd feel better if you did. All right, signing off with Pepper here in the woods, in my peaceful playground. We got to think of a better name for it. I like playground, but it's just too wild and crazy, although it is a playground, but I want to have more like that serene and subtle power. I don't really like safe space, is so overused. Can you help me think of a name? What could you call it? All right, not right now. If you have another name for it, let me know in the comments. Hey, thanks for watching, and I hope I reduced your stress a little bit here. Helped you with some decisions coming up. Lowered your heart rate. And I just had a little hangout with Pepper. All right, we're leaving the woods. Kinda. See you soon. Bye for now.